Hey, in this video, we're going to do a quick tutorial on the text portrait effect. So I just grabbed a quote from Toni Morrison, the author, and this image from Envato Elements, and just put the quote right over the portrait. I thought this would be a nice look. So let's go ahead and talk about how I did this. All right. First of all, let me just drag the image over. Alright, so put the image in, and then what I'm going to do is we're going to create a mask on this image, and first I'm going to just go ahead and duplicate it. Okay, we'll turn that off. We're going to deal with this image first. So I'm going to do it, and then I'm not going to put it, I don't want it directly over the center. I kind of want to maybe go a little bit further than half, a little bit further than half. Okay, then come down here, click the mask, and then with this image here, we'll just put that in, and let me just grab the quote. Since I've already have it aligned, I'm just going to grab it and move it over. Okay, let's start here. And what I did was I wanted to come a little bit over, so it kind of comes over here, and I can probably move this mask, just move the mask just a little bit. Yeah, because I just want the text to be on there. Okay. All right, now the way to move the mask, if you have this link, and this links the mask, the location of the mask with the image. If you click that link, it unlinks the mask from the image, and that allows me to move the mask around, as well as I can now move the image around as well. So let me bring this back over. Oh, it's about right there. Okay, and then we can link those back up. Now the thing to do, if I turn this image on, you can see we have our image, but I'm going to hold the control button, click on the text, and then I'm going to select the top layer image, hit the mask, and we have our image. Now what I can do is a couple of things. I can just simply turn off the text layer. So just hide the text layer, and that gives me the image in the background. Or if I can turn the image back on and maybe just reduce the opacity. And you can see some of the image kind of go through. Okay. So either or, it's up to you depending on how you want to look. Another thing we can do, we can always try changing the colors of this white background. So I can pick a solid color, and maybe I want to go something that's closer to this. That's not pure white. Okay, so you can do multiple things once you have this. I'll just go with the white background, and that's what I did. So real easy. If I turn that off, I get the face underneath. And real easy project, real nice effect, something really simple to do in Photoshop. Okay, so that's it. We're done, and see you guys in the next one. The goal of this channel is to give newbies to Photoshop, After Effects, and Premiere a one-stop place to learn the basics. I appreciate your support in this endeavor, so please subscribe, like, and share the videos, and help me grow this channel. Remember, you can never use up creativity, so start creating more and often. This is Quick Start Creative.